Alright, the next job we're going to spend some time and take you through is how to remove highlighter from a piece of paper. We've all been with the person in the office that gives you a document. It's the only one that they have that's completely highlighted from top to bottom. However, you want to hand that out in a meeting and you really don't need all the highlighter marks on it. So you're left with a couple choices. Either retype the document or hand it out that way. Well, we have a feature that we can use to remove all those highlighters marks. So we're going to show you how to do that and set that up as a program button so you don't have to go ahead and remember how to do this every single time as well. So the first option that we're going to do is we're going to come from our menu screen. We're going to go to the copy screen. Now, we are simply going to come under the application button. And once we're under the application button, you'll notice at the bottom down here we want to do letter D, edit and color. So we touch that and you will notice here under D we have color adjust. So we're simply going to touch color adjust. Now, very simple, we're going to go to color balance here, this section. And now what we're going to do is we're simply going to remove under yellow, magenta, and cyan all the color. So I'm going to use my arrow here and take it all the way over to -3 for yellow, go to magenta, bring it all the way over, cyan, bring it all the way over, and then I'm going to click OK. You'll notice I left black at 100%. Click OK again, close. Now, the next thing I wanted to do was program this into the memory of the machine, so every time I want to do this I don't have to make those adjustments. So I'm going to go under that program button up here on the upper left hand corner of the display screen. I'm going to find an open, not registered job. I'm going to click on one and type in new. Now I'm just going to abbreviate. Right, so H, G, H, L, G, H, T for highlight, right? And I'm going to click OK. Now, you'll notice that that job is right there, and it's in our device. So let me just close this, and I'll reset everything so you can see that I reset it. So you'll notice nothing here under application is highlighted yellow. So I'm going to go to my program button. I'm going to select highlight and I'm going to do recall. And you'll notice now my application button has a yellow, so all the settings that I just selected is there. So let me spin around now to the MFP and show you what my document looks like at the beginning and show you how it runs and what the output looks like when we get done with this. So this is my 364E that I have in my office here. So I'll just put this camera down right here. Take a look. Now on top of this I've got a document. So if we take a look here, you notice this might look familiar from what you see in some of your office documents. Several different highlighted colors all filled in, and we don't want all of that. So what we're going to do is simply place our document in the top feeder, press the start button. Now, because we did the color balance and we removed all of the colors from our document, we'll now get only out a document with black on that page. So all of our highlighters should be removed. And as you can see here, we now have a document. It's black and white only. All of our highlighters removed. This is a highlight removal feature that we would like to show you. Very easy to program. Thank you very much.